Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this magic face mask. So simple and easy, just try it, the result just amazing. All you need is 1 teaspoon of cedar powder, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, yogurt. In a small bowl, mix the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. You can add water to achieve the desired texture. Allow the mixture to sit for a few minutes to allow the oatmeal to soften. Start with a clean and dry face. Using clean fingertips or cosmetic brush, apply the mask evenly onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Gently massage the mask onto your skin using circular motions to ensure even coverage. Leave the mask on for about 25 minutes to allow the beneficial ingredients to work on your skin. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel and follow up with your regular skincare routine, such as applying moisturizer. Let's talk a little bit of the benefits of all these ingredients. Cedar powder helps cleanse the skin by removing impurities and excess oils, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and helps unclog pores. Oatmeal acts as a natural absorbent, helping to remove dirt from the skin. Yogurt has soothing properties that can help calm and hydrate the skin, making it beneficial for dry or sensitive skin. Oatmeal has moisturizing properties, which can help nourish and soften the skin. The oatmeal in the mask acts as a mild exfoliant, gently sloughing away dead skin cells and promoting a smoother complexion. Cedar powder and oatmeal both have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation on the skin, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with sensitive or acne-prone skin. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.